Hi friends, you're watching Movie Reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Telugu movie Maestro. The Telugu movie Maestro stars Nitin, Nabanatesh and Tamanna Bhatia in the main roles. The movie Maestro is the official remake in block letters of 2018 super hit Hindi movie Andhadhun starring Ayushmann Khurrana, Radhika Apte and Tabu in the key roles. Right at the beginning of my review itself, I want to tell if you have watched Andhadhun already, you can totally avoid watching Maestro. Maestro is a scene-to-scene, frame-to-frame remake of Andhadhun with small changes here and there. Smaller, negligible changes here and there, I can tell. The movie Maestro has many characters in it, but mainly 6 characters play the key roles in the movie. The first character of the movie is pianist Arun. Arun is the protagonist of the movie. He is a piano player. He is passionate about his music. He is not blind, but acts blind. He wears a black spectacle always and has a walking stick in his hand, and everybody knows him as a blind pianist. The story he tells is the cricket ball had hit him on his head when he was 14 years old and then he lost his eyes. But our Arun can actually see. Arun's piano gets damaged one day and he seriously wants a piano. And this want of piano connects our Arun to the second character of the movie, the heroine of the movie, Sophie. Sophie's father has a restaurant wherein there is a piano, and Sophie's father has put the restaurant and also the piano on sale. Arun meets them and he tells he cannot afford to purchase the piano because he doesn't have money to purchase the piano, and he gives them an offer. I am going to come here and practice the piano in your restaurant. Don't sell the restaurant, don't sell the piano. The people who come here get entertained by me, and probably your business will improve, and you will not come into the need of disposing your restaurant or piano, and that thing really happens. In this business deal, he gives his heart to Sophie and they both fall in love. Sophie doesn't know he is blind, but Arun can see Sophie. Now it is in this restaurant we are introduced to the third character, that is Mohan, the superstar of yesteryears, Mr. Mohan. Mohan is a retired actor now and he is doing some business. One day he spots Arun playing the piano and he is really impressed, and he invites Arun to his home to play music and sing a song on the occasion of his wife's birthday. Arun reaches Mohan's home on the scheduled date and scheduled time, and in Mohan's home we are introduced with the fourth and the fifth characters, very interesting characters of the movie. The fourth character is Mohan's wife Simran, and the fifth character is also in the home. It is not Mohan, it is C.I. Ravinder, who is also called as Bobby. Now why C.I. Ravinder or Mr. Bobby is in Mohan's home? It is because Ravinder and Simran are having an affair. Arun starts playing the music and to his shock he sees the dead body of Mohan. The dead body of Mohan in the pool of blood. He is shocked but he cannot express. He can see both Simran and Bobby disposing of the body in front of his eyes. He keeps playing the music on the piano, but he is in a helpless condition. Arun goes to the police station to lodge a complaint on the murder which he had witnessed, and to his surprise he sees C.I. Ravinder there. And how does the drama unfold around these characters is the rest of the story of Maestro. There are many twists and turns in the plot, and I am not going to spill the beans here, because for those people who have not watched Andhadhun and those who are watching my review and want to watch Maestro, it will be a spoil sport, it will be spoiler if I tell the story, if I even narrate what is going to happen next in the story. And here is where I take the break from narrating the plot. Okay, did I mention there are 6 important characters in this movie? The 6th character is a cute rabbit. And what has rabbit to play in this movie Maestro? You need to watch the movie to know the secret of the rabbit here. Now, how is the movie Maestro? Should we watch it or not? If you watch it Andhadhun, as I already said, it is a frame-to-frame remake of Andhadhun, and you will not feel anything interesting because you already know the story, what is going to happen in the next scene, and there is no creativity added by the director of the movie here, and there is no surprise element in the movie at all whatsoever. So if you have seen Andhadhun, this is not a movie for you. Just skip watching Maestro. If you still want to watch the Telugu version of Andhadhun, you can still watch. If you are a fan of Nitin, you can watch. If you are a fan of Tamanna or Nabanatesh, you can watch this movie. Otherwise, it is better to give a skip. Now coming to the main characters of the movie, the main artists of the movie, Nitin has played the role of the blind pianist, the role which Ayushmann Khurrana had portrayed in Andhadhun, and Nitin has done a decent job. Nitin looks cute and smart and very elegant in the movie. He looks very young. He gets his right expressions in right places, but one thing he misses out is the expressions of being cunning. You need that particular expression here. Here is where I feel Ayushmann Khurrana scores a little more than Nitin, because you are not blind and you are acting blind. Nitin is acting smart, Nitin is looking cute, but that particular, he is looking mischievous also, he is looking flirtatious also, but I felt that particular shade of being a little cunning in that character was missing from Nitin's role. Otherwise, he is good. Naba Natesh plays the role of Sophie, the love interest of Nitin, or love interest of Nitin's character Arun, and she has done a decent role. She looks pretty, she looks gorgeous, and she looks good. Her role is not big as that of Radhika Apte, but she has done justice to her role. And the third character, which should have been a very important character in the movie, is that of Simran, that played by Tamanna Bhatia. I felt that was the sluggish and the most negative point of the movie. There is no doubt that Tamanna was looking really gorgeous as Tabu was looking in the Hindi version, but she had tried to experiment a lot on the role, and that's where it actually faltered. Her acting has different shades. She is good at some places and not so good at some particular scenes. And the accent and the language of Tamanna Bhatia in the movie is what I did not like. I felt the director should have worked out more negative shades on her character because she seems to be a very gorgeous or very beautiful looking villain in the movie. The negative shades and the villainish look here and there should have been given to Tamanna Bhatia. Tamanna, I feel, has played her role very safely. Senior actor Naresh plays the role of the Esther actor Mohan, and no comments about Naresh sir. His acting is superb, short and sweet role. The role of CI Ravinder Aka Bobby has been played by none other than Jishu Sen Gupta. Jishu Sen Gupta is a wonderful actor. He plays the role of a cunning cop in the movie who is accomplice with Tamanna in the murder of Naresh's character, that is Mr. Mohan. If not good, Jishu Sen Gupta's character or the portrayal of that particular character of Bobby is decent. Mahati Swarasagar's music is good, but not good enough. There are a couple of foot tapping numbers, no doubt about it, but not really impressive music, I should tell. Merla Paka Gandhi has directed the movie Maestro, and no brains used here because it is a frame-to-frame and scene-to-scene remake of the Andhadhun. In a couple of scenes, he has tried to experiment a little bit, and they're not good additions. If you watch the movie, you'll come to know where. The movie Maestro premieres on Disney Plus Hotstar. You can see the movie if you have not watched Andhadhun. And for those who have not watched Andhadhun and doesn't know the story of Andhadhun at all, Masterpiece will look like a masterpiece. And finally, I would like to tell that Maestro is a decent one-time watch. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.